Umuthi ari muthenya wa keri wa kigeranio gia Kisii guothe bururi-ini Ekuirwo 15 aria maraikirio ngono muthenya wa ira ni kwagarara mawatho ma mitaratara igeranio nimakinyirio igoti-ini ria Ogembo kaunti-ini ya Kisii kuria mathitangirwo na mahitia mbere ari hamwe na kunyitikana na maratathi ma igeranio ma ngungo undu umwe na kwagarara mitaratara ya igeranio bururi-ini. Mucirithania Margaret Nafula ni athanire 15 aya mahingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Nyamarambe nginyagia tariki 12 mweri uyu metereire uthuthuria wigimaine na mahitia macio gutirihwo.
The defense shall be supplied with all the witness statements and the documentary evidence that the prosecution intends to rely on after all the witnesses have recorded their statements.
Omaya magithiaga na mbere Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed akinyabara mihango ya kigeranio giki kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni athingatite kuga ministry yake no iguthie na mbere na gutigirira kigeranio kiu ni giatafanio na njira ya uma na wigiririku kuria oriti aciari matigetikire kuhingicwo ni mundu o wothe kugura igeranio icio.
Candidates and other stakeholders not to be duped into engaging in any activities that will compromise the ability of our candidates to sit their exams in a fair and stable environment.
Agikira uge ucio hinya hindi ya gwikira uira kuhingurwo kwa maratathi ma igeranio mwena wa Isili guku Nairobi, muikariri giti wa kanjo ya igeranio bururi-ini NEC niwe George Magoha ni ugite ni mambikite mitaratara mirungiriru gutigirira gutire woici ona uriku kuhanika rungu rwa maitho mao.
We are going to be very, very firm, like you are aware. Everybody involved in those processes, the group in Kisii and the group in Kakamega, are with the law enforcement agencies. We shall not allow, and we are not going to even contemplate allowing,
kuhana oguo Magoha ni athingiriirie kuga gutire muruto ono mwe unyitikanite na woici wa kigeranio giki.
So if you are still thinking of attempting to do that kind of thing, then you can be very sure that we are going to be with you and the choice is yours.
Omaya magithiaga na mbere muiritu umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 19 arekira kigeranio giake thibitari-ini wa brother Andrew mwena wa Dandora thutha wake kuguthukio thibitari-ini tariki 31 kuria aheirwo mwana utakinyiti ihinda na haha arigitani makihinyiriria no muhaka akorwo hakuhi na mwana wake niguo mutungatire.
She assured us that she is well prepared and the invigilators have been coming on time. And we have been able to prepare her for the exam to start at the time expected.
Kaunti-ini ya Meru murugamiriri munene wa KICD Julius Juan ni wotongoririe mihango ya kunyabara kigeranio gia KCSE guku akiranira wirutiri wa thirikari gutigirira kigeranio giki ni giatafanio na njira njega.